Hi. So recently, I have seen some letters which are fake letters supposed to be issued from TCS or Tata Group as a recruitment for software engineer or something like that. So I will just explain why this letter is fake. I will go through it and show how to spot that problems. So first thing is it is issued by Tata Group. So it should be issued by something like TCS and not a Tata Group as such. Then the name, it's a name of candidate here. Uh, there is a reference number and I have seen around 3-4 letters with same reference number. So obviously this is fake. Branch is IT. So IT is very vague. There should be some specific branch, and it is there is designated. It should be designation. Means there are a lot of spelling mistakes in this letter. Then it says subject letter of offer. It's very strange wording. Then congratulation. It should be congratulations. Then we are pleased to inform you that you have been selected to join Tata Group. The candidate is not joining Tata Group. He should be joining TCS or some other organization under Tata Group as a software engineer. Your salary will be some 28,536. I have seen many letters with same or little bit different salary. Even it doesn't mention whether it is monthly or bi-weekly or annually. It doesn't mention anything about other like other benefits or something like that, or there is nothing, just one number. Joining letter will be sent to you shortly after you submit the documents. It is again lot of spelling mistake. We look forward for you association, means what it should be, your association with the company. You are requested to submit the following documents and health checkup documents for further procedures at joining within 72 hours. It's very strange that they need it within 72 hours. It is very short period of time to get all certificates together and to conduct all these tests, because it shows like MRI of chest and MRI of brain, and it's very difficult or to get appointment to get this done and get report from doctor and submit to the company. So there are so many things that it's showing it is fake letter. Then we will go through documents. They need a 5 passport size photograph. I don't know if the company is working in IT sector and they are getting photograph as a like single soft copy. Why they need hard 5 passport size photos? Then they need Aadhaar card, election card, or driving license. Then they need certificates from 10, 12, and graduate, postgraduate, and all whatnot. And past employers receive relieving letter. I don't know why it is needed. And then past employment earnings. Why the Tata Group should be interested how much you were earning in your past employment. Then medical checkup test. It is showing COVID test, KFT in RBS. What that does mean? It should be like, I don't know what is KFT. It should be renal function test and blood sugar or something, which is very strange. Again, it is asking for MRI chest and MRI brain. So, and with contrast, the thing is, if we use contrast, it can cause severe reaction and it is very risky procedure. And doctors say to get this test depending on your illness or disease, but any recruitment should not subject candidates to such a severe allergic test or costly tests. So there are so many factors which we can see that the letter is fake, definitely fake. Again, there is no name or address or phone number or email of the person who is sending this letter. And beyond this letter, I will show you something by which you can confirm whether the letter is fake or not. So it is coming from email to candidates. The email is recruit at hrtata.com. It shows the website is under construction. Can you think of a scenario that a prominent company which is working in IT sector will have a website which is under construction? What the hell it is going here? Then I want to show how to spot the fakeness of these websites. So there is a lock icon in the taskbar. So just click that icon. It shows information about a certificate issued to that website. It shows connection is secure. So just click on that connection is secure. And again, there is written as a certificate is valid. So click on that. Once you click there, it is showing what is common name of the website. It is all, that is star.hrtata.com, which is okay. But there is no organization and there is no organizational unit. So this is very strange red flag. If we see the official websites of any company, I will show you two examples. One is TCS itself, that is the Tata Consulting Services official website. So when we click connection is secure, certificate is valid, it shows it is the certificate is issued to tcs.com and organization is Tata Consultancy Services Limited. So this is how you can verify where the email is coming from or where you are doing business with. Then I will show another example. This is the site of USCIS. There is a government of United States website. So if we click this lock icon, connection is secure, certificate is valid, then it shows common name is preview.dhs, that is Department of Health, Homeland Security.gov, and organization is Department of Homeland Security. So it clearly mentions to which organization this certificate is provided. So just go to website from where you are getting email or from on which site you are dealing with, and see that certificate. And this whole certificate business is only to verify the authenticity of the website owner. So this is very useful. So again, this letter is fake, the website is fake. So just don't pay any attention, just delete that email and report to police if you want to. So this is how you save your money. I think it will help you. Bye.